Alright guys, today I'm working on the a new fork, and I got to put the star nut in. Star nuts are a little harder because they have to be pressed into the tube here. So I'm going to do it the Ghetto way. Guys, this isn't how you do it professionally. I'm going to use the old hammer and a screwdriver trick, but I want to get away with this without buying a special tool or spending any money to have it installed. So I'm going to do it this way. So what I'm doing here is I have the star nut kind of already started in there. I'm putting a screwdriver, find a screwdriver that fits through the star nut hole, and I'm setting it on top of the fork here, and then I'm just going to get a hammer and I'm going to slowly tap down the star nut until it starts moving down in. It will move a little bit, so it'll start like moving side to side. Like, you want to keep it even, so just tap the hammer the opposite way just so you're evening it out as you're tapping it in there. But as you tap it in there, just kind of keep checking it. Here's something I tried. I put this little nut, so I put like a nut that's a little like smaller than the star nut, obviously. Put the screwdriver through it. That way it'll allow it to kind of flare up. So that actually worked a lot better as I was pounding it down in, so that way that the sides of the nut will flare up and go inside of the fork tube. Okay, I successfully got it in there. I got it in there. It's 3 or 4 millimeters inside the tube. So this way it worked, guys. There is a way to get it in there straight with just your hammer and screwdriver. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks.